Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cream caramel in the oven. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 4 large eggs, 2 cups of whole milk, and half a cup of granulated sugar for the custard. For the caramel, prepare another half cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that beautiful caramel base. In a small saucepan, combine half a cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it transforms into a lovely, rich amber color. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's ready, carefully pour the hot caramel into your baking dish or individual ramekins, swirling quickly to coat the bottom evenly. Next, we'll prepare the creamy custard. In a bowl, whisk together the 4 large eggs, half a cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until just combined. Avoid overwhisking to prevent too many air bubbles. Gently warm the 2 cups of whole milk, then slowly pour it into the egg mixture, whisking continuously. Strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve for an incredibly silky texture. Pour it over the hardened caramel and bake in a water bath at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. The final steps are all about patience and presentation. Once baked, let your cream caramel cool completely at room temperature. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling time is crucial for it to set perfectly. When you're ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edges of the dish, then carefully invert it onto a serving plate. The caramel sauce will cascade beautifully over the custard. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.